Hey guys, it's Fire Alarm Collector here. So, today are we doing an unboxing video. This is actually a birthday unboxing video. This is actually an early birthday. So, so, let's get into this unboxing. So I think we're gonna open this thing first. So here we go. So this is some. Oh, this looks kind of rare. And oh my god, it's a simplex chevron, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people wanted these. And I think it's a 4251-11. Pull it just like this. I'm not gonna pull it, but I'll probably do it. I'm not gonna pull it, but I'll pull it when I do the video. So, and probably wondering what's in this package. So let's find out what's in here. Alright, all this kind of stuff. And here we go. Let's open the box. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, no way. And here we go. It's a simplex 4051. A lot of people wanted these. And they're really rare. So I'm pretty sure see, there's an old simplex logo, 4051, 20 volts DC. It'll be easy to bar up. 20 volts DC will be easy to bar up. So yeah, I got two rare devices on my birthday. So that's pretty crazy. Yeah. I'll give you a shout out I'll give you a shout out whoever got me this. So thank you for giving me this for my birthday. That's the unboxing video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Have a good day, everyone.